How to transfer money from Go2Bank to Cash App. Here's what we will do. First, load up the Cash App application and click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. From here, we want to go into linked banks. Then choose linked debit card, and we're going to choose no card here, so we get a list of all of the different banking institutions. So select continue, and we will search the institutions here for Go2Bank, just like that. And you should be able to find it right here at the top. Click on Go2Bank and log in with your online credentials. So once we have logged into Go2Bank, this is going to essentially connect our account to Cash App. Now, if you have a card, you can connect it from the previous screen, which I just showed you, link a debit card here. But like I said, if you don't, you can just connect the bank directly. And if you want to transfer money, what we're going to do is click on the bank icon in the bottom left that says money. Then we want to choose add cash. And here we can either choose from one of these pre-selected amounts, or if we want to do a custom amount, we'll click on the three dots and we will type the amount which we want to transfer. Afterwards, we will just click on add at the bottom. And if you have successfully connected your Go2Bank account with Cash App, this is going to take the money from Go2Bank and then transfer it over into your Cash App account. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.